I've gum in my mouth and I'm rapping. I don't give a fuck. Yeah.
Hypnotic. This bitch hypnotic. This hypnotic. Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock.
Make him want it, make him starve and pray before he peep the bar. Control it, focus, so erotic. Oh my god, it's so hypnotic. You said I would make you need me, but look who want me now. I just make this shit look easy. Look into my eyes. Make him want it, make him starve and pray before he peep the body. Cheeky, oh you acting cheeky. I'm just tryna read, but you thinking you could read me. When I'm out the country, I be out in Fiji, in a monokini, weave so beachy, waves looking kinky, looking at the thing like he wishing from a genie. Shawty in a booth like, yeah boy I do that. Touch up on the thing, yeah he tryna voodoo that. Like boo boo, don't you see how you do that? And you can't keep your hands to just you two, huh? Yeah, cause this hypnotic. This bitch hypnotic.
Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock.
Yeah, cause this hypnotic. This bitch hypnotic.
Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
I want your time, want your body all over mine. Come me shawty, all dirty wine. Swing me baby, go side to side. Hypnotic to your eyes, to your soul, body and mind. And you're so naughty and I think I need you by my side. I just wanna be what you're fond of. I got you sticking to the cake, Mr. Fondant. Ain't about your wallet, or about your pockets honest. But you rock the rawest garments, looking to the target. Shot straight through my heart and this arrow was the sharpest. You wanna feel that I would have to show my undergarments. I wanna make you want it, I wanna be your starlet. We gotta take it slow, but baby I feel like a comet. You said I would make you need me, but look who want me now. I just make this shit look easy. Look into my eyes. Make him want it, make him starve and pray before he peep the bar. Control it, focus, so erotic. Oh my god, it's so hypnotic. Make him want it, make him starve and pray before he peep the bar. Control it, focus, so erotic. Oh my god, it's so hypnotic. So hypnotic.